In the second part of this video, we're going to look at drawing the lid and the base of our finger jointed box. Now there are various different ways to do this. The easiest way I have found is to almost treat the drawing as an orthographic projection. And to that end, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on lines and I'm going to move across, click on my attach, and as we did before, I'm going to draw some lines from the endpoints up here to the top of the page. I'm also going to go to the inner part of my internal finger and I'm going to draw a line to the top. One thing you do want to be aware of, as I just demonstrated there, is that if you do get too close to another line with your attract on, it will join together. So I'm just going to draw these lines slightly higher to avoid any stray lines. What I need to do now is turn the right hand box onto its side. And the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to drag a box to highlight that and I'm going to rotate it, but I want to do it with the radial lock on. So if I go to my Draw Edit toolbar, click on radial lock, I should be able to rotate that box first 45 degrees, then 90 degrees. Now it's a good idea to remember to take your radial lock off, otherwise your box will only be able to move around the page along the 45 degrees or 90 degree mark. What I need to do now, click on grid lock, and I'm going to move my box up here. Once I'm happy with that position, take grid lock off and repeat the process as with the first box. The final thing that we're going to do here, as we have done with the other fingers, is I am going to put some construction points along my box. And what I'm going to do here, distance of 30 again, I'm going to go click on that line there, click on the left hand side, and then click back on my line and take my construction line up to the top of the page here and up to the top of the page. I could also at this point do the same down here. Next thing I'm going to do is draw some construction points again, 30 here and 30 there. For the sake of argument, let's just put ours here. Then take our lines again, make sure that they are absolutely horizontal. It's a good idea to try and get them spot on because it causes less problems later on. Okay. That should be the outline of the box, which should be ready for all the extra lines to be moved out the way.